Hi everybody, it's Joyce from Joyce Farkas Fluid Art. Welcome to my channel. This morning I'm coming to you just with a quick little video because yesterday was my birthday and I got two really special gifts yesterday. One was a content creators course that I got from my husband. I'll let you know if it's any good, if I think it's helpful. The other thing that I got was a new lighting system, and I wanted to show everybody because the simplicity of it is marvelous, and I am so excited. I can't wait to paint later today and use the system. It's got all different kinds of lighting in it, and I just wanted to share it with everybody. It's made by Neewer. This is the lighting at the top, and there's no picture on the stand part, but I'm going to get you down off of this and show it to you. So hang with me. I'll be right back. Okay, everybody. As you can see, it's spraying out my window. Here's the lighting system. It clamps with a really nice heavy-duty clamp on my table. It's very sturdy. It telescopes up and down. It has an arm that comes out, which will be, let me see if I can back up, once I position it, will be right over top of my workspace. And I can get that lower if I want, right down on top. And then up above is this nice light. And I just think this is the coolest thing. I'm going to lower it. I'm going to show you more about the light because I can't reach it where it's at. So I'm going to get that down lower and I'll show you all the fun things that the light does. So stick with me. Okay guys, so up here on the light, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got the input, the on and the off. I can't read that upside down. CCT or GCT. I can't, sorry, can't read it. And then brightness. So it's got different colors. I'm going to flip it on here. And as you can see, it's lit up now. But the brightness, you can dim it way down or way up. Hopefully you can see that changing. And then it's got, this is for the different colors of light. It's kind of a reddish, and then we have real bright sunlight, and then blue. So you can change your temperature of the light, which I think is very, very cool. So anyway, so that's the system. Simple to use. I've got the arm that comes straight out, but they have another one that kind of bends and you can kind of move it backwards and forwards, which I may opt to do later. But again, just a quick little video to show you this neat little system. Great for recording your process. So I hope you guys have a great day, and we will talk to you again soon. Bye for now. Say goodbye to Bucky. He's my mascot. He looks after me. See ya.